My people, una welcome again. Una welcome. Now, good morning, now good afternoon, now good night. Depending on the time where this show take run, follow your phone. Now, welcome. Today, we don't bring another bunga topic again as we talk love court and the only court where we not they persecute, but rather we analyze relationship matter to make sure say relationship matter goes really well. So to make sure say we balance. And today I deal with my friend, two of my friends for the studio, for area report studio here, where we discuss love court. The guy there now Zuma Hilary Ikenna. And I be CEO of Zuma H and Nelly Electronics. I be that one, so a businessman, as we talk and I see the founder of Zuma H Production, in an amp member and producer, strong producer for the industry. Then my sister, hey, that person, I became fan like 5 people. Don't do that.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, this is
but I mean, they try to.
This one I love course. Okay. And then my sister Mary Agbons. Became fan like 5 people. People from our suit and jealousy. I say too fine. She's an actress and also now a script writer. She did here with me for the studio. So now welcome. So before I go talk about the real welcome, we go put our hand for the chest.
Okay.
Now to the one. Now we promise our people. So this now we talk. Now the real matter. So you go say
Mary Agbons.
Zuma H.
Call your name finish now.
Zuma Hilary Ikenna.
I saw you tell you talk. Pledge to this honorable court.
Pledge to this honorable court.
Say anything when I want to talk for you.
Say anything when I want to talk for you.
Go be the real matter.
Go be the real matter.
And nothing but the real matter.
And nothing but the real matter.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Finally, we are welcome now because our audience now don't get confidence. Anything I will talk. Now nothing but the real matter.
So I fit sit down well now.
You don't first sit down well before.
I know first sit down well. No say you never officially will come.
Okay. So now our topic today says a girl investing on a guy. But this topic waka come based on say most times now guys now they ask for my hair. Is my hair? I need to change my hair. There's this one I need to buy. There's this one. Now guess they always the one. So now make people they say now guess they always invest. Now let's put them for advice. What if girl can invest for guy? But my first question here goes to Mr. Hilary Zuma H. First of all, I beg, let our audience know what will be the meaning of investing. When they say someone invest on someone, what do you mean?
Okay, my people.
Now you go make our people they see you now.
My people. When you they talk say person want invest for something or person want invest for another person.
That's a businessman.
It means say person want put in time, resources for where that thing or that person dey. Via say maybe you want sponsor the person, you want give am money to take start business, or you want help am for some certain things wey be say the person dey lack. That thing fit come in different way, like say maybe I want invest for where person dey. I fit say that okay, go learn so business, go school, I go pay. Go buy this thing come, na me go pay. So investment, say I want invest on you, be say I dey give my full time and support for where you dey say go do this thing. Na me go settle everything wey concern that matter. So na be the investment we dey talk about.
Okay, now as a business man, when you be electronic magnets. As far as electronics matter concern, you sabi well. Now when you say you invest on something, you dey expect return at the beginning.
Okay, now my host, if I dey invest on something, my brother, as a businessman, why I be, I dey expect something now.
Okay, you not your fee, just say invest, say you can invest on this to make this thing.
No. I don't feel just carry my money invest for something we no go pay me back.
Okay, like, the thing must pay you back.
Yes, it must pay me back.
Okay.
Like if I want carry like, let me say 100 naira invest for something now, I would expect like 15 naira on top, wey go be total of 150. Because you don't feel carry your money or your time. Don't say you want invest for something. Last, you know, we can't get anything from inside. you know be Father Christmas.
Okay. Alright. Okay. First of all,
Even Jesus Christ, he leave heaven, come invest for earth.
okay, what you call invest?
He come invest now, he come pay the price wey we no fit pay. So that as he don invest say he don die finish, the investment wey he come leave, the return wey he dey expect na say as he don die, we go follow him footsteps so that at last we go fit come meet am for heaven.
Thank God, because I be don dey think say as if Baba say you wan talk another we'll come back to you. Now my sister, before I ask you the main question, wetin be you agree with the definition wey you give about investment?
Well, no disagreement for them.
Okay, you agree as well?
Yes, I agree. Because investment is not for you to carry maybe person now, you like this particular person and get the person get business idea. If you say, okay, make I empower this person, at the end, you give me some percentage back. So invest now, give and take.
Okay, now give and take.
Give and take.
But all right, okay, now how you see say girl call dey invest on a guy. Say maybe me and this guy with a romantic relationship with the monsoon, with the rice, with the elu. Then the girl now call carry her earn them money. I don't know where she get the money. Anyhow, say she call the invest for the guy. How you call say am?
Well, that particular aspect, normally on her own say she love you, say she dey spend for you, you know, come.
Okay, now say me and the relationship now. So with the relationship now, she go with the say they go really well. You understand? Now we define our way say we love each other. This relationship we dey pray say make the ship say to call ship. Therefore call ship to maybe marry another. So now you not fit spend for me.
Now you see, in terms of that aspect, I fit support you. But I not fit spend for you. Like, you know, say the difference between investing and spending on someone. Like, let me just say right now, say the way I dey now. Say you dey in need of money. You maybe get a particular business where they do right now, and that particular money they lack some certain financial support. So, and I get that particular money in my possession, I fit support you. But say investing my resources, when you talk of investing, you're talking of that guy does not have anything. That guy don't get money. You not get into what they do. You now, you dey try to make sure say that guy dey okay. You dey try to set that guy up to a certain pace. Now that be the investment, and then the investment coming. Maybe you feel the girl will be as you get the money, you say, okay, man, give this guy like 2 million naira or 1 million naira, make it set up himself. So after I don't set up himself, you come marry me. So you dey see the give and take inside. So the aspect of okay, we go marry later, make I just help him. But don't say I want to settle down. And I like this guy as a person. That's one different. But say with the dates, I can't decide to come support you. As I tell you, they go through stuff, I support you. That one's still different. Because I support you based on say I love you and the feelings they there. And I say this particular time of your life, you need money and you need to support, you need to grow. And I say this particular thing they do will make you grow. And I get that particular money in my possession, I will support you. So investment and support different.
Look, Mr. Ella, I don't like the I wait till they look the girl as they get the talk.
Because waiting my sister here they talk, the thing just they eat me somehow for head.
What happened?
Because the way she tell the talk now right now, you can't tell like say investment for a girl to invest for where boy dey na bad thing. Not be bad thing, no, my brother. For the fact say boy if they invest for where woman dey, woman supposed to invest if the woman really love the guy. She be the same.
No, okay, wait, let's try to answer. Okay, but you do okay if boy invest or there.
You know, based on the society mentality, like as we don't grow, like when they grow up, you know my mentality what I get say, girl, now they feel give boy money. Now only man they take care of a woman. Which is olden days. Even that scenario see they wrote in today. Now even that girls they like make I withdraw myself from that particular aspect. Make I see they support my man. So it just depends.
Let me ask you now. The boy where they invest on you now, because I don't see a situation where boys they invest on woman.
Put them for school.
They put them for school. You through finish, the girl want to say, I don't see another person where I love. Some boys when they invest for where woman they don't they invest say Father Christmas. They invest because they love you and they want make you progress as a woman. wey be say dem wan make dem spend their life with, even though dem no wan spend their life with, at least person wey be say dem dey roll with, e suppose look good. So na why boys dey invest for where woman dey. Likewise, if woman get money, e suppose still invest for where a man dey. Shebi dey get? Wait, calm down make I talk to you. Calm down make I talk to you. As a girl, as a girl, as a girl, you as a girl, you get money. Even though you no get money, you really love guy. You wan make the guy dey faithful to you well. You need to show am reasons wey go make am still stick together to you.
See, guys.
Wait na, I never talk finish. Relax.
Okay, now continue.
So calm down. If you really love me as a girl, say you really love me and I really love you. If I dey spend on you, suppose still spend on me. Make the equation balance.
Na that one na the
No go change the mentality say na only man suppose dey spend on woman. Woman suppose still dey invest on man. Me, I'm a living witness. Woman don invest on me before. And from that time till now, I still dey regret why I leave her. Because say the girl change.
Wait, why do you leave the girl?
Wait now. It to say the girl no create that impression, she no invest on me. I for no think about her. So you as a girl, you need to dey invest on your man, so that at least if something wan happen, like breakup wan come like this boy go get one reason wey be say this girl dey try for me. See so thing wey be say this girl don do for me. Abeg, because of this thing wey this girl do, I no go leave her. But these days, if you no invest on your man, make I tell you, the boy go just say, after I no dey benefit anything from this girl, na only kpekus I just dey show up every time sha. Then if you don invest for where man dey, my sister, if the man really get conscience, he no go leave you. So go out there, wait. Go out there, try to invest for where man dey. Make you see how the relationship.
Wait, before I come to her, that girl wey invest on you, wetin make you leave her?
Okay.
No, tell me.
Tell me talk. My audience, the girl no do me bad, and today now I see the regret and see I leave her. Wetin happen be say na misunderstanding of religion. Shebi dey get am. The girl don dey spend on me. To the extent wey be say the girl go tell me say, babe, I wan go shopping. I tell her say I no get money. Say don't worry, my ATM I will give you. We go use her take withdraw. Okay. You know why I leave her? I don't leave her because say I no love her. I leave her because say, man, I call you say that they go Ekanka. At that time, the impression we get for that church Ekanka be say na Ogboni church. Me I come dey run for my at that time. But to say that now, I no go leave her because I don't really know say if girl really love you, come invest on you, mean say this girl take you serious. She really take you serious for a girl to come really get her time. Sit down, think am, carry money say you wan invest on you. Say you know bad say girl use her money spend man go school, say my boyfriend as I no go school, you go to school, come back. Normally for life, if you dey invest, you must get outcome. The outcome fit be good or bad. Okay. But that outcome no suppose stop you from investing. Say you love somebody now, you wan really invest on am. E no suppose stop you. But wetin dey make our girls no dey invest on our boys na because say dem dey put the outcome first. Say abeg, I no go give this boy this money. After all, if I give am finish now, the boy fit leave me go find another girl wey he like. We go suppose
Mary. Okay, you want me say the word investment is too strong of a word to use for relationship?
Yes, it's too strong. Why I say it too strong now? Because of say men. Just imagine say I dey date you normally. Okay. Say you come say okay, based on say I love this. Now you dey do an act of love. Okay. You understand? Based on say I love this girl, make her take care of her. You're actually taking care of her. You dey take care of her. You dey try to meet up with her needs so that makes you know they look out for other guys. You understand? But say you come dey invest on am. Say okay, everything wey you do for her, say she must give you either let me see your expectation and say she must marry you. Now make her you dey invest on her. Because say you open business for her, but that investment is too strong for a relationship. Say you dey do relationship, you dey invest. You dey spend all your money on her, say na investment. So me, I not support am as investment. I go take am say you dey care, na act of love.
For that way she talk now, so wait, Mr. Host, she talk say okay, you dey spend, you dey give your girl money so that you no go feel go
You dey care for her.
so that she no so that she no go meet other people, abi. Okay now I carry okpo, I like okpo, I want make she stop her okpo business. I come give her money to take start something. My heart come now as an investor. Wait now, my heart come now. I love her first. Secondly, my heart come as an investor. Wetin I dey expect na make she stop that okpo business.
A woman can see a woman fit still do the same thing for guy. Just imagine say maybe that guy now, e dey see environment wey be say no get money at all, the guy dey broke. The girl fit just see the guy and maybe father get company or she get particular amount of money, she dey very rich, or maybe say she from a rich family. That kind of girl wey come from rich family, she feel so okay, I wan still help this my guy, I no like the way life dey go, I wan support am, make this guy dey some certain level to meet up with my level.
Okay.
That one na you did it out of love.
Okay.
Say you love the person.
Spending, not be...
Yes, you supported this person.
Wait, man, before we drop up, because what they say, I'm not too long green. If now you see me, see maybe my dressing, my sense of fashion, na zero, na rubbish, you understand? And now you want to upgrade me, make I did that level. Maybe your friends just dey laugh you. Then you can't put money, you can't bring me like 100k or 200k, you can't spend on me, make a buy clothes. For you, not spending. For Mr. Zuma H in the invest. Yes. So I want to now, if at the end of the day you don't put 200,000, or you can't put 300,000, you can't put 1 million, you can't put 3 million, then at the end of the day, back you not see the same. Yet, as you go, I buy one make. I buy other make, I see the one. Wetin you go feel?
You go feel bad normally. Just imagine say you dey try make your boyfriend meet up to the standard wey you want.
Okay.
But he no dey get that kind thing, you feel
first of all, I should give me that money at that time. What you dey expect?
I dey expect you to look good.
That is where investment come. Investment no really be say maybe you give your girl 100 naira to make 100 naira to make because they expect 150 in return. Investment fit come in different aspects.
Okay.
I dey do am because say I care.
Oh yeah.
One day look good. You are investing. Since you get expectation, you get what you dey expect from the person.
Honorable member, it's okay. No, don't have the mic. Conclusion, sharp. What will be your own advice to guys? Maybe the day relationship, and maybe come to this point of them as you talk about investing or spending. What will be your advice to them for relationship?
Okay, what I want to tell our viewers out there, my advice to them is for relationship investment, anything can happen. Now 50-50. Just like businessman dey do business for there they go. Businessman no dey think the profit or loss wey he wan make for business first before he dey invest. He dey see the brighter side. Na him dey make him dey invest. So anything wey happen along the line, you go take am in good faith like okay na 50-50. We still move. So my brothers and sisters, okay, my brothers out there, if you dey relationship, really love girl. Any money wey they give am to make her to do anything, and they expect for the girl to look good, to fine, to make sense for your eye in return. My brother, you know they spend, you know they support her, you are investing in her so that she feel look good. So my brothers, make una try to dey invest on our girls, so that some things wey be say dey the eyes to do for elsewhere, they no go do am again, abeg.
Okay. All right. Auntie Mary, you know say this thing so because sometimes all this thing guy be like this, be like that because depend on what you call your dog. As you call am, you say now spending. So now please talk to our female audience about this spending and investing. So give your advice quickly so that we will draw this talk show.
My fellow guests, the advice I get for this particular investment matter, say why girl, as in make girl no dey invest or e good for girl to invest for a man. Normally, e dey good say girl spend on a man. But me, I dey feel say to spend for person, like you do it out of say you care for that particular person. Na make am you do am. So whatsoever you dey do for your man, just do am say you dey do am out of love. No be wetin e wan give you in return. But you dey do am because say you love that man. So I no say e dey bad for woman to spend. E dey good for you to spend on your man because me, I dey support my man. But say investment, I dey feel say my man no be business wey be say I go dey invest on am. You understand? Maybe na me no dey understand the English well sha, or anyhow na take am. But me, I believe say anything wey you do for your relationship na out of love. Because you love that. Because na me, if I love you, I go give you my money. When it comes to a relationship. But say normal outside, yes, normal I dey support people. But for my relationship, I do it out of love. The feelings wey I get for the person. So anything you dey do am out of love. Simple.
All right, my people, we don't come to end of this special edition, this special episode. We dey say get investing on a guy. For waiting, my sister talk here, Mary say not be bad thing. Say girl give her money or give anything to the guy wey in the date. Say but that word investment if you come to relationship na big word. Say the investment dey be like say you dey expect everything in return, you dey expect everything, you dey calculate time. One kind. Say na him make am. Say but no man, say if the guy dey need, if he get, he go give. And she herself, she no go fit say, she no fit calculate the rates, the extent wey she go fit go if it comes to this say she spending on her partner. But my brother on the other way, he say any I be say na investment. Say because if he spend, he dey expect return. Say but business go fit be either good or bad, depend on wetin you call am. So my own to draw conclusion for this matter for today episode be say e depend on wetin you call your dog, when your dog go answer. If na investment you call am or na spending you call am, e not bad. Say girl, you spend or invest on the guy, but look the particular person well. No go let wetin dey shine go deceive you, because not be everything wey dey shine wouldn't well na be good. So if you as a girl you wan invest on a guy, make sure say that investment, or better still you fit just call am spending so that e no go pay you. Because be like say if you call am spending, they dey on a very
Balance
equation. But if you call am investment, be like say e come big. Then my brothers, if you wan see invest for girl, see check the girl, say the girl e worth am, and if tomorrow say something come happen, one thing, you no go feel like say the girl owe you anything. So na so make anybody heart no go break or scatter into pieces. Into some people they say na scatter pieces. And the way pieces don't pass pieces, and the scatter pieces, you know, go scatter like that. So now do well. Now don't forget to follow us for our social media handle, will be Love Court and Area Reports. So you can see Area Report TV, you know say na big get am. You see Love Court na be the show, so you go see no say na the show. You go see they bring una better topics, sweet topics. Wey be like say go dey help. They balance relationship matter seriously well. Now love court the only court where they carry love, they come court, they come judge am. Not be saying one persecute am, but rather in one analyze am. And every Wednesday love must go to court. Thank you.